following message is transmitted at the request of the Food and Drug Administration and the Center of the Disease Control. A known virus starting to contaminate pizza. The symptoms are coughing, sneezing, vomiting, diarrhea, nausea and even death. All residents of Spruce Pine are advised to not eat the pizza on Thesis Restaurants, Domino's, Little Caesars, Pizza Hut, and other pizzerias. Do not throw it on the trash, as it needs to dispose them. Probably if you or a loved one is showing Thesis symptoms, go to the hospital immediately.